Taking a look at some addition and subtraction with the bar model here. I apologise, I've just noticed that there is a word missing here. There were 568 crackers in tins M, N and P. The total number of crackers in tins P and M is 481. Tin N had the same number of crackers as tin M. How many crackers were in tin P? So we start by circling the numbers, underline the question, and box total number of in P and M. Same number for tin N and M, and we need to find out how many tin P. Okay, so we have our total. So we'll start with the total. And that total is 568. Then we move on to the next part where we start by drawing our bar. Okay, so we know that P and M equals 481. So rather than do it in alphabetical order, I'm going to say P and M 481 might roughly be about there. It may not be exact, which would mean this is N. I think I may have overstated the size of N and M here. Okay, so P and M as a total is 481. We need to find out what the total of N might be. And then that will give us information to further break this number down into what P is worth, and we'll know what M is worth. So to find out the value of N, we take our total and we take away our known part. 8 take away 1 is 7. 6 tens take away 8 tens, more on the floor, go next door, get 100 more. That becomes 16 tens. 16 tens take away 8 tens is 8 tens. So N is worth 87, which also means that M is going to be worth 87 and P is going to be worth 481 take away 87. Oh, I'll fix that up. Okay, so 481 take away 87. 1 take away 7, more on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. 11 take away 7 is 4. 7 tens take away 8 tens, more on the floor, go next door, get 100 more. 17 tens take away 8 tens is 9 tens. So I just need to rub out a little bit of that working out there to fit that in. So P is worth 394, M is worth 87, N is worth 87. As I said at the start, I did overstate the size of N, which then influenced the rest of that bar. Ideally that wouldn't happen, but if it does, you'd sort of talk about, was it the right size at the start? It does not affect the problem solving at all. We'll move on to another one, a very similar problem out of the same book. So let's clear that off. Take this question out. Have a look at this one here. So same thing. 3 mystery numbers A, B and C add up to equal 482. The total of A and B is 357. A and C have the same value. find the value of B. Circle key numbers, underline the question, box key. So A and C, same value. The total is 357 of A and B is 357. So let's start with our bar. We know the total value of these numbers, 482. Now, if I draw my bar, for A and B equals 357. The total is 482, which means I'll see if I go a bit better here. So C is roughly here. A and C have the same value. So now, and A and B equals 357. And we need to find the mystery value of C to find out the value of B. So once again, let's go 482, take away 357, 2 take away 7, more on the floor, go next door, get 10 more, 12 take away 7 is 5, 7 tens take away 5 tens is 2 tens, 4 tens take away 3 tens is 1 10. C is worth 125, which means A is worth 125 and B has to be worth 357. Take away 125. 7 take away 5 is 2. 5 tens take away 2 tens is 3 tens. 300s take away 100 is 200. So B is worth 232. So these two will add together to equal 357. And when you add all those numbers together, they will equal 482. So the value is 232.